If you're experiencing login issues on Threema, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct phone number and password associated with your Threema account. Pay attention to any typos or incorrect characters. Step 3. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve login issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on before trying to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Threema's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter on Threema. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.